Hi students, my name is Gauri Shankar from Hyderabad. In this class, I am going to discuss regarding that the pattern of preparation for coming NEET and JEE mains. First of all, congratulations to those students who cracked, who succeeded in recently commenced NEET and JEE mains. This video is particularly meant to those who have been for the last so many years in dilemma. Where did we supposed to did the mistake? Why we are getting very less marks? I'm talking about plus one students, plus two, and long term students. And those students who succeeded in bio and chemistry, who lost rank only because of physics in NEET as well as JEE mains. This video is particularly meant to those who are very eager and enthusiastic to reach their goal, who are hardworking, who strive their every nerve to reach their target. Only because of physics, they could not reach over there. They are in dilemma. They are doing hard work. There is no question of mentioning their fault. But still, so many students, nearly 95% of students are supposed to be lost their goal only because of physics, because physics is a difficult subject. Each and every student is supposed to be injected that concept. Physics is difficult. If I say that is not difficult, you don't believe. So, first of all, I would like to give the clear analysis of NEET 2020. I supposed to segregated, now I supposed. After that, JEE means I could not because we have number of papers, online papers. So, I would like to discuss some points related to JEE means, whatever it may be, basic is common for the both now. And after analyzing in detail about that 2020 NEET paper, after that in part 2, this is the part 1 video, in part 2 I'll give a detailed idea where you are commencing the mistake, where you are committing the mistake, where you are not supposed to be concentrated. If I say in this video, you could not understand. Okay, everyone says like this. Physics is difficult, is being a physics sir is supposed to say. We could not because we don't have any mathematical abilities. We don't have any certain application abilities. You supposed to feel so. Just come and we discuss 2020 NEET paper, and after that we will decide. At the end of that video, we will decide how far that physics is difficult and where there is a clear lagging that becomes a great hurdle for your goal. Okay, now come to that NEET 2020 physics. Enter into the world of physics. Enter into the den of physics. We'll see whether it's den or a beautiful flower garden. We'll see this soon. Okay. Out of 45 questions, I would like to segregate them into 3 different ones. The first one, problems based on only concept. Concept is enough to find this answer. No mathematical applications, nothing. Second one, problems based on direct formulas. Direct formula is required. Then no need to twist, no level 2. Direct formula. If you know the formula, you will get it. No mathematical application. Just what you require is addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. That's enough. Come. I don't want to waste your time. Now we are going to study about the first question. As you have different what you call it as papers now, I could not give that particular number. So I want to say the question and as well as that subject what we required, concept what we required. We are going to study about the conceptual questions. How many got it out of 45? The first question from Bohr's model. You know Bohr's model is applicable for those atoms which are having single electron. If you know that concept, the answer would be yours. That is enough. If you know what is the concept I said, if you know that answer which has which takes only 5 seconds I think, with bubbling 15 seconds. Second one is somewhat tricky one here. What's that? Relationship between resistivity and temperature. Normally students are very common. You are aware of only one thing. For metal straight line and ohmic conductors and non-ohmic conductors are nothing but semiconductors. Is the relation between temperature and gives constant to the metal, it comes like this. Alloys, it comes like this. And semiconductors, whatever you are talking about, that is different. That is a curve. So, for copper being a metal, this is the answer. If you are not able to do this one, I am talking about those who appeared, what you call it as 2020. That means you are somewhat away from the concept. It is clearly given in textbook. Next, a relation between threshold frequency and photocurrent. You know, threshold frequency increases the energy of electron. Stopping potential, there is a direct relation. There is no relationship between threshold frequency and what you call it as photoelectrons. Photocurrent is directly proportional to the intensity. If you know that concept, you will get this answer. That whatever the sentences, the two sentences I have said it now. If you know those two, this 4 marks is yours. Next problem from nucleus. If uranium-90 to 235 is bombarded with a slow moving neutron, obviously barium, krypton and 3 neutrons will release and there follows chain reaction. If you know this sentence, what I said, this answer is yours. Next, SHM, displacement acceleration, phase difference how much? 180 degrees. That is the characteristic feature of simple harmonic motion, or else it becomes another motion. Simple harmonic motion is nothing but A is directly proportional to minus x. Next, width of depletion layer. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 6. Width of depletion layer. This is the basic concept in the diode. This is a depletion layer, P-type and N-type semiconductor over there. In the case of forward bias, if it is connected to positive and this is connected to negative, the depletion layer thickness decreases. In reverse bias, it increases. That is the basic concept. If you know what I said, the sixth answer is yours in 5 seconds. Next question is mean free path direct formula 1 by root 2 pi x d square and x d square. Direct formula it is. What is the mean free path formula? There it is. Next, stress dimension. Stress is equal to force per area, mass into length into breadth. As you know, I don't want to discuss a lot. LL cancel. ML minus 1 T power minus 2 hardly 5 to 10 seconds. Stress dimension. 9th question. Conversion of electron volts into joules. 10 to the power of minus 20 joules is given. He wants to convert into electron volts. You know 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 joules is equal to 1 electron volt. That's a very common one, not a twisted one. Anyone knows. 10 to the power of minus 20 joules. How much? 10th one. Beats. 530 A is given. B and it gives 6 beats. It may be 2, 524, 536. Those who start beats doing the problem, this is the first basic problem that you are supposed to get it. And the frequency decreases, tension decreases, frequency decreases. So automatically 536 beats becomes 7 beats. So which will be the answer? 524 is the answer. It takes place hardly 5 to 10 seconds. Really 5 to 10 seconds. And next one, color coding. Yellow is given, violet is given, brown is given and gold is given. 4, 7, 10 to the power of 1, 5%. There is no what you call it as doing the percentage. If you ask the percentage, there is a little bit plus or minus like this. 470, 5% would be the answer. See? And the next question is Brewster's angle. For this, a little bit thinking. Mu is equal to tan theta. What is the range of theta? Mu is always greater than 1. How do you know? mu is equal to C by V. There is one formula. 3 into 10 to the power of 8 is the greatest value. When ray enters into that, what you call it as lighter to denser medium, its velocity definitely decreases. No other velocity is greater than 3 into 10 to the power of 8. So mu value is always greater than 1. So theta should be greater than 1. What is that one value for tan theta? 45 degrees. So its value should start with 45 degrees to infinity. How much of time does it require to think over it? You start thinking. You start thinking. This is the 12th question. And there is another question from transistor. Basic question it is, because if you start reading the working of transistor, you should understand emitter is what you call it as heavily doped, base is lightly doped, and collector is moderately doped. This is a thing, and this one, that is the question. If you know that concept, you could able to understand that. Direct question it is. Next question. Relationship between electric field intensity and magnetic field intensity in an electromagnetic wave. Somebody think it is nothing but E by B is equal to C. You think in that way, but he is not asking that electric field strength, electric field intensities, the proportion is 1:1. If you are not capable to do this, that is because lack of that basics, lack of the concept. Next, a sudden process is a adiabatic process. You know, isotherm is a slow process and a sudden process is adiabatic process. In the problem, it is suddenly open, clearly given. Clearly there is a word, a sudden. So is it not enough to say that is adiabatic process? How much time does it take to get that answer? To keep it out there? Hardly 15 seconds with the bubbling. Am I right? Next, average energy of monoatomic gas. That is nothing but 3/2 kBT. A question from kinetic theory. Because of that only now, that each and every orientation degrees of freedom as half kBT. As monoatomic gas has 3 orientations, 3 into 3/2. That only it asks. How much time? Just hope you understand how much time you require to do this. And 17th one is which the following one has what you call it as negative temperature coefficient. Nothing but insulators and as well as semiconductors. And one more question. There is equipotential area and he asked to find E value. E is equal to minus dV by dr, that you know. As it is equipotential area, there is no change in V with respect to R. So automatically 0. E is equal to 0. These are the 18 questions. 18 fours are 72. No negative marking here or there. If you have the concept, so out of this conceptual, we got 18 questions. If you want to do all this, what you require is no mathematical application is there. Just to sit, read each and every page with clear understanding, without keeping any idea of weightage that we discussed in the next topic. Now come to that problematic part. Then you could understand how difficult that problematic part in NEET 2020. There is one question that came from what you call it as mechanical properties of solids. Length is given, is asking y is equal to stress delta L by L. That difference is given in L and L1. If you see that, it's a direct question. No calculation is required. If you know this formula, that is enough. Young's modulus, this is the basic formula. Next, there is a question from solenoid. B is equal to mu naught Ni. Here N is nothing but number of turns per unit length. Turns given, length is given, you get N. I, mu naught value, you know, 4.10⁻⁻⁷. Direct, no twist, direct value is given. What the mathematical application you require here is multiplication. Next, dual nature. lambda is equal to 12.27 by root V, not a twisted one. This is very, very important formula. Those already came 2 or 3 times. It's not a hidden formula. No need to extract it. Whenever you open the dual nature, definitely you got this. The value is given, directly do that answer. Next, resolving power from wave optics. 122 lambda by A Laplace. A, that's it, not the Laplace. This is the formula. Values have given directly. Just out of that, we are seeing here, some have gone through this examination. Good. Those who are studying +1 and +2, just download the paper. See what I am saying is right or wrong. Download the paper along with the solutions and see whether what I am saying, what I am telling here, what I am segregating here, right or wrong. You decide yourself. Next, there is one very, very basic question based on V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. No one could believe, but you got it. Direct values, no twisting is there. Directly values are given. You just apply. Only 15 seconds to get that answer. Another one, torque is equal to, tau bar is equal to R bar cross F bar. Here the twist is, you should know mathematics, what you call it, vector applications. If I bar cross J bar is equal to K bar, J bar cross I bar is equal to minus K bar, that type of a basic concept if you require, 2 3 is 6 like that only mathematics is required. But what we require is concept, a conceptual based, no maths required here, a little bit manipulation. If you know these formulas, these are all conceptual based only, but I segregated as if it we require certain pen. For this, pen is not required. Out of 18, pen is not required to do it. Just mental ability is enough. But we have to keep it over there. Now for this, mathematics not required, pen is not required, pen is not required. It requires a little bit. That's it, not too much. Next question, E is equal to mc square. M is given, asked E. M is given, asked to find E. Einstein's the great scientists. Mass energy equivalence. 7 question. Next question comes from screw gauge. Least count is equal to pitch of the screw by number of head scale divisions. That is, it's from screw gauge. And the next question, direct given. Another one is truth table. This is also direct question, and gate came over there. If you see, those who are very common, what you call it as, basic subject have the truth table, the logic gates, you could get it. And the next from center of mass, x is equal to m1 x1 plus m2 x2 by m1 plus m2. Here the thing is, the 5 kg block is kept at x1 is 0 here, that is the thing you require. It becomes 0 and remaining 5, 10, that's it. Not decimals and what you call it as ratios are over there. Next, V. V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P cos theta by R square. I don't say this is a difficult problem. I never consider it is a difficult problem. It is a problem based on direct formula. You are very aware of, so many students I came across from online classes and from what you call it offline classes. You are very what you call it as aware of E is equal to E axial, E equatorial. That you are 2p by r cube, p by r cube like this. But there is another one, the dipole moment, and here V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught p by r square. This is normally given one previously, but here he added, this is that p by r square axial and equatorial. This is 0, and here this is the formula. Theta is given as 60, p is given, r is given, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught value we know. Simple calculation. Simple calculation. If you are unaware of this formula, your preparation is wrong. Problem not there in the physics paper. Paper setter is very, very lovable one. He doesn't want to test your mathematical abilities. He wants to test whether you are capable to get the basic subject of the physics or not. And another question, E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square. Direct formula it is. Direct formula. And the next one is significant figures. If you are unable to do this, you are missing the basic concept. Concerned to the significant figures, there is one logic, ASMD. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. For addition and subtraction, the least decimal. By multiplications and division, least significant figure. It is given 9.99 minus 0.0099. Decimals 2 and decimals 4. We have to come to the least decimal 2. If you know that, that is enough. It hardly takes place 10 to 15 seconds, 10 seconds. But you should know this. If you think this chapter is what you call it as weightless chapter where G is equal to 0, what could we know? How could you decide the weightage of the chapter? How could we decide? We already got significant figure, we got it, and what you call it from the units and dimension, significant figures, and what you call it as screw gauge as well as stress. We got 3 questions from the first chapter, 3. But some feel that is very useless chapter. They don't consider that there is a chapter. They don't consider that there is a chapter. And next, drift velocity and mobility relation. Mu is equal to Vd by E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Truth table. Okay. Yes, so many questions actually. Mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There are 14 questions, and one more is also supposed to G value, significant figure, drift velocity, truth table. Yeah, one more. That is nothing but magnetism. I don't think this is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 question I am talking about. From magnetism, mu is equal to mu naught plus 1 plus psi. Common question and direct question and very direct formula and very important formula. You know what the psi value is given? 599. 599 plus 1. If it is given 595, so it's somewhat difficult. But here it is clearly given. What I want to convey to, you are not writing mathematical examinations, maths and all. Okay, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Actually, I got it here 16 like this. I got whatever it may be 15. Okay, chalega. Still. Okay, now significant figures, this and that, truth table, B, torque, E is equal to mc square. PV is equal to nRT. One more problem. PV is equal to nRT problem. He is asking what you call it density. Density is equal to mass per volume. Volume is equal to mass per density. So, mass by density into nRT. And this is nothing but Mn is nothing but capital M. Density is equal to Pm by RT. Values are directly given. P is equal to nRT is a very, very common. Okay, na? Now, after completion of that 18 and 16, 34, we get into the another one. What everyone feels that is come under difficult. Okay, we'll see how far those formulas are difficult, how far we are not capable to do the remaining problems. We'll discuss. Okay, start. Now we are going to study about that remaining problems. We see how far those are difficult one. There is one problem based on what you call it as pulleys. Actually, it's not come under this category. 4 kg, 6 kgs. Just 4 kg, 6 is more than that. The mass left over 6 by minus 4. Direct acceleration is supposed to be calculated. Direct formula, a basic one actually. It comes under the formula based, but I want to keep it in what you call it as application based. Okay, we name this one as application. This is concept. The third point, what are the leftover are application based. See how much application required. And another one from gravitation. You want to find the G value at the height where that is equal to half of the radius. G is directly proportional. G is equal to Gm by r square, directly proportional to r square. So G dash by G is equal to r by r plus h whole square, where h is equal to r by 2. If you know this, this is enough to carry forward that. So you could find how much mass supposed to be get deferred over there. I think if you think it is a difficult problem, I don't say anything. Now come to the third, a capacitor problem, conceptual and application. By introducing dielectric, the capacitance of the capacitor increases by k times, whereas force decreases by k times. As you know that this is nothing but epsilon by epsilon naught. Then this is nothing but epsilon naught k. Here the k is given as 5, multiple epsilon naught with 5, we will get that answer. So, conceptual and application. Next, a problem from heat. Relation between Q and radius of the substance that absorbs. As you know, Q is equal to mst is a very common formula for us. Radius is not supposed to be there. So, mass is nothing but density into volume 4 by 3 pi r cube st. That means Q is directly proportional to R. See? And that are supposed to be changes over there, and how much Q. Next step, direct step. Next one is direct step. You know, as Q is directly proportional to R, Q1 by Qt is equal to R1 by R2. See how much of difficulty. Next question based on this is nothing but capillarity. So many students are supposed to be get somewhat doubt here. Immediately after that examination, students called and asked about this one itself first. So what's that answer? Looks like it gives a very complex one. What is that? If the radius doubles, what happens to the mass? Before that, just recall the basic concept. This we know, this we derived at the time you derived the height of the capillary tube. This is T, this is angle of contact. So this is T, this is T cos theta. The T cos theta acts along the circumference 2 pi r. T into 2 pi r is that force that makes the water to move up. At the same time, there is another mg that get balanced and capillary rate stop. Relation enough. M is directly proportional to R. R doubles, mass doubles. How much time does it take place? How much time does it take place? If you have question paper along with the solution with you, you could understand what I am saying. Sixth, there is a problem from prism. What emergence? Normal emergence. In normal emergence, I2 is equal to 0, R2 is equal to 0. As you know, R1 plus R2 is equal to A. As R2 is equal to 0, A is considered as R1. Mu is equal to sin A by sin R. Instead of R, we can write mu. If theta is equal to small, sin could be taken out. This is we consider under application. Is there any mathematics? Is there any what you call differentiation, integration, logarithmic applications? Are there any? Next question supposed to be diagram prism is over, this is over, K is over, and there is a problem from AC. I is equal to V by R. Common formula. Here the R is nothing but Z, impedance. And Z of that AC with capacity is equal to omega C. The problem here is F is given, not omega is given. Being omega is 2 pi F C. That is the small trick. That frequency is 50 Hz. That doesn't mean that is omega 2 pi F C. And whatever the Z, we are supposed to keep it over there. If you think this is difficult and somewhat, okay, most welcome. You are most welcome to think over it. There is another problem from power factor. Okay, 2 steps supposed to be required. Actually, that is there. If you are very aware of that, all that circuits, LR circuit, LC circuit, and that is definitely you could able to think. I agree. It is somewhat difficult. You could not able to recollect all those. And one more, this is what you call it as meter bridge. P by Q is equal to R by S. X by 3, X by 10 is equal to 3 by 2. Directly given over there, you will find X. That much of length resistance is that. If X much of length resistance is how much? I think I have covered all. Maybe if I left 1 or 2, okay, leave it. I am talking about 35 into 4, 140. I am not supposed to consider this. Okay, no application. Okay, leave about application. We are very away from the application power. We are not at all good in mathematics. We are not at all good in differentiation, integrations, logarithms and all. What happens to this 35%? Take out 15. Still, we are under the range of getting 3-digit mark. Yes or no? So why you are not? Why your mark is supposed to be concise below 100, just above 100? Your expectation is 150. You used to get good marks at the time you are studying, at the time under the preparation. Why you are not supposed to crack that much of mark in that? Concern to JEE means also, what is supposed to say? Here JEE means they have mathematical background, so that they should have this as well as certain application power. Their background is mathematics. Concern to NEET, the paper preparation is different. NEET preparation, JEE means preparation is different. I know the questionnaire is also different. There they have more than 2 minutes for each question, whereas here we need only one question. That means NEET students. But both are supposed to be read the same basics. So in part 2, what is the real drawback? What is the greatest hurdle that's supposed to be stand between you and your goal, and how to distract it? We are going to discuss in the part 2. Okay, before that, download the paper along with that and see, assess. I'm talking about to those who want to go for long term, those who are studying first year and +1 and +2, and you start analyzing. Soon I suppose to release part 2 video. Up to that, best of luck. Okay, thank you.